All right, the Exit 8. This is the big game, the one that everyone and their mothers played. So, yes, I am aware of some of the jump scares, some of the things in this game. Um, Obviously, not all of it, or I wouldn't be bothering to play it and posting it on this channel. I do like to go for some authentic scares and experiences here. But yeah, so let's see if we can do this. All right. With a smile. 8 dental clinic. 808 open. No smoking. Exit 8. Got a little fella on there. Got a vent. A vent. We got 3 doors. Let's see. Pause. Okay, yeah. All right, we got that. We got the doggies. Um, got a bunch of people walking around. Got makeup. Got a movie thing. We got the eyes. I know those blink at one anomaly, possibly. Honestly, this is a lot less intimidating than 10 Bells. There was a lot more to pay attention to in 10 Bells. A lot more shit to look at. Okay, no smoking. I see a camera. I think that's the control level, so... Oh, okay. So... The smile, 808 open. Oh, yeah, and the guy. I paused a little in the recording when I started, so he walked past me without me really having any commentary on him. We got 3 doors, we got 2 vents. Exit 8, exit 8. Dog salon, Zooey. I do not recall if that's what that said before. Alright, so, got a bunch of people walking around. That looks normal. We got the eyes, which look normal. It's a makeup thing. Movies. Security camera in operation. You gonna blink? You gonna blink? Nope. Alright. Door. Concourse. Okay. So, I don't see anything. Oh, gotta take note of that. No smoking. So I think that's normal? Let's see. Huh. Am I missing something? It's been a while since I've watched anybody play this. Maybe I'm supposed to turn back. Let me... Huh. Okay. I'm a little confused here. Aren't I supposed to see a poster or something that tells me when I've done something right? This looks fine. The doors look okay. Am I missing something? Yeah, keep left. Oh, okay, there we go. Why didn't that show up before? Don't overlook any anomalies. If you find anomalies, turn back immediately. If you don't find anomalies, do not turn back. Go out from exit 8. Alrighty. Okay. I don't know, was that glitch maybe? Because I didn't see any anomalies. No smoking. 808 is a dentist thing. See anything weird? Nope. You good? You good? You're fine. Alright. Vent. Movies? Well, movie Fez. Okay. You seem normal. No, I don't see anything weird about that. It says exit 8. The doors look normal. This looks normal, I think. Okay, well, no smoking. Alright. Keep left. All right, we're at 1. We're at 1. Alrighty. Let's see. No smoking. Exit 8. We got 2 vents. We got 3 doors. 808. Little fellow looks normal. You look normal. I don't see anything weird about the ceiling. This looks normal. Oh my god! 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 Run! 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 Yeah, I'd say that's an anomaly. Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus! Keep running. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Well, that was obvious. Alright, love that. Whoa, what? Did I hear something? You good? You normal? 808. Normal little dude. 3 doors. 2 vents. Exit 8. You look normal. Oh. Oh, yeah, you moved. You moved. You moved. Yep, we're going back. Alrighty. Hello, dude. 3! Yay! That looks normal. Door looks okay. The lights keep flashing and I don't like it. Ooh, ooh, yeah, no, that was very bright. That was very bright. I don't think that was normal. Oh, please. Oh, please. Oh. Aw, hell. Did I just screw up? Yeah, I did. Fuck. Oh, well. Oh. That's not normal. That's not normal. That's not normal at all. Yep, there we go. False ending. Let's see. No smoking. Exit 8. 808. Okay, so... Oh, 3 doors, 2 vents. So the lights getting super bright is not an anomaly. That's... Exit 8. 2 vents, 3 doors. Is there something wrong with your face? Okay, I really hope that's not a glitch, because I think there's something wrong with his face. Yep, there we go, there we go. Oh, nope, 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 nope. Alright, level 4. Love it when it's easy. 808. Oh, the posters are growing. Oh dear. Okay, there we go. Okay, good. 5. I turned back and immediately thought, oh shit, what if it's just a little optical illusion from the light? I think we're good. Alright, 6! Not doing too bad. Two vents, 3 doors. 808. The floor looks normal. The ceiling looks normal. Not that I'd be able to tell with the glare from the lights. You good? You gonna blink? You gonna blink? Nope. Okay. I think that's normal. I think that's a... Yep. Concourse, it said that before. I don't see anything weird. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. We're going back. We're going back. We're going back. We're going back. Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. Lull me into a false sense of security, why don't ya? Ooh, that scared me a little bit. Whew. That one got me a little bit. Mr. Dude is walking, and he's looking normal. Zooey. Dudes on the poster look fine. The eyes look fine. Don't go out again. I swear to God, don't go out again. Concourse. I think we're okay. I think we're okay. Oh my god, exit 8! Alright. Just one more, damn. Man, the 10 bells really primed me, I think. Is he walking faster? I don't think he's walking faster. I think I'm overthinking it. Move. I dare you to move. Ceiling looks normal. I'm nervous now. I'm nervous. I'm on the last one. If I get it wrong, I gotta go back. You look okay? You look okay? Unless it springs something on me down here. Oh my god! Ha! Dang! Let's see if I can clean up the anomalies. Thank you for using the underground passageway. We apologize for any inconvenience this may cause you. There are 24 of anomalies that have not been found. We appreciate your understanding and cooperation. There are 24 of... Oh, maybe they meant to say 24 of whatever the total number is. Oh! If I turn back, it's there. Okay. No smoking. Floor looks fine. Ceiling looks fine. 808. Little dude looks fine. 2 vents and 3 doors. We got Zooey. Dude is still walking. Gonna move. Gonna blink. Gonna do something. I wonder if it's like with 10 bells, where once you complete the game, it doesn't repeat the anomalies. Like, maybe they're all just, oh, I'm back at 0. I missed something. Okay. But yeah, I do wonder if maybe they don't repeat anomalies once you've completed the... Oh, hi. Yep, little guy is messed up. Little guy's messed up. All right. There we go. 23. I think that what this game lacks... Oh, missing door. I think what this game lacks in jump scares, it sometimes makes up for in, the precision of what you need to notice. Like, the very little things. Oh! You're in the middle of the door. Thank you for using other... Wow, there are 21 anomalies left. I think that's one of them. All right. 20 anomalies left. I see a guy, and that means that's an anomaly. Yep. 19 left. Oh, anomaly. Anomaly. Jesus Christ, it's like 4 in a row. Are we good? Do I get a break on this one? 3 doors, 2 vents. 808. Dental. Person looks fine. You got the vents. Are you doing good? You're doing good. You freaked me out on the last one. Didn't love that. Alright, we got a regular door. We got these. It looks normal. Not moving. You look normal. You look normal. Statistically speaking, this has to be a normal level. I'm not even overly concerned. Oh, okay. I missed something then. What did I miss? Can I go back and look? No smoking. That's normal. We got the speaker, and then the light, and then the thing. We got that. Concourse. We got 2 vents. Oh, I haven't been paying attention to these squares on the ceiling. Where are they? Yeah, hang on. Yeah, see those? Those things? I haven't been paying attention. I wonder if maybe one of them's missing. No, I don't think it is. The floor looks normal. No smoking. The doors look normal. The doorknobs are all in the right places. What am I missing? Alright, well... that's unfortunate. Alright, well, let's see. No smoking. Dental clinic. BLC store, little dudes there. I hope it's not something like they're changing, like, the times on here or something, because I'm not going to notice that. Okay, that's 1. How many got left? 18. BLC. Oh, nope. Anomaly. 17. Oh. Alright, no smoking. Dental clinic. BLC. Oh, wait, no. Sorry, just my perspective. I thought a vent was missing. Floor looks normal. Dude looks normal. 3 doors. We got the dogs. We got the posters. Nothing weird. Concourse, yep. See anything weird about the ceiling, although again, I maintain with the lights being what they are, I don't think I'd be able to tell. Alright, I'm sending it. Sincerely? What did I miss? What did I miss? What am I missing in here? Am I... It has to be something subtle. Is there always been a camera there? Let me check it with the next hall. Okay, we have a camera down there. Camera in the middle and a camera here. It says concourse. It says exit 8. Let's see. No smoking. Again, don't see anything wrong with the walls or the ceiling or the floor. Alright. Yeah, there's a camera there. Okay, so that's not what's different. No smoking. Oh, he's big. Oh, dear. 16, right? 16. It says concourse. I don't see anything wrong with the ceiling. I don't think. I don't see anything wrong with the floor. Oh my god! Run! I don't even want to see what it was. I don't even want to see. 15. Whew. I know. I'm aware that there's not as much in this game that can kill you as in the 10 bells. But, I've been primed and conditioned by 10 bells, okay? Fun. Alright, so I screwed up. Alright. Oh, the lights are messed up. There we go. 14. No smoking. 808. 3 doors, 2 vents, exit 8. VLC store. Oh, you're smiling. Nah, that actually looks wrong. That looks not just wrong in the sense that it's an anomaly, but wrong in the sense that you shouldn't be smiling. BLC store, little dude looks fine. You look fine. You're not smiling, which is the way it should be. We got the floor. Zooey. Blink. Blink! This looks normal. Concourse. It looks fine. I'm going back. I'm gonna send it. I know there's something in this hallway that I'm missing. All right, yes! I was right. I was missing something. 12 anomalies, okay. Hopefully that's the one I was repeatedly missing. Zero! I missed something again! Ah. Oh. What? Oh. Nope. Not normal. Going back. All right, 11 anomalies. Let's see. Oh, there's something wrong with the patterns on this. Yeah, they... Oh, I think that's a face. Okay, yeah, no. Yeah. 10 anomalies left. Alrighty. What are you doing, pal? You doing good? Don't smile at me, I swear to God. Oh, that's a face. Yeah, we're not doing that. Nope. 9 anomalies left, right? 9. How about it, buddy? Gonna do something weird again? I hope I've exhausted all your weird. I feel like I'm missing something. I'm gonna turn back. I don't know what it is, but I just sense. Nope, I fucked up. Alright. Yep, I fucked up. Alright, well. Yeah. We're still at 9. Yep. Were there always 4 of those little exclamation points? Like, was this guy right up here? I feel like that wasn't... Concourse looks normal. Oh, there's a red light in the camera. Okay, yep. Alrighty, there we go. Got it. Are you... Oh, you're watching me. Oh, okay, yep, nope, that's an anomaly. Alright. Let's just put us at 7? Let's see. 7 anomalies. Alright. No smoking. Gonna turn around and the anomaly is just gonna be that says, yes, smoking. Smoke away, bitch. Corgi... Mastiff? Is that what those are called? Or is it just a bulldog? Is that a terrier? Golden retriever and a poodle. And then there's a Pomeranian in the picture. So I don't know. Maybe that's different. Or could be different. You know what? I'm going back. I sense it. I sense that there is something wrong here that I'm not catching. Hey, I was right! 6 anomalies left. Oh, hell. I kind of feel like a little bitch just going back at random and hoping that it catches something, but... Oh, oh. Oh, that door's open and there's a face in it. Nope! 5 left. No smoking. Oh, exit 8 is upside down. Ooh, easy. Nice. Okay. 4 anomalies. Oh, I can already tell the pattern's wrong. Three anomalies. All the posters are the same, and that's an anomaly. All right, looks like we're... You know, I also can't rule out the possibility that they've made some changes to this game or updated the anomalies or something to make it so that it's not, so that the jump scares or the anomalies aren't exactly the same. Oh, exit 8. Alrighty. I can't rule out the possibility that they've updated this game in such a way that, that things are, not the same anomalies as when I first saw people play them. Huh. God, that's an awfully short list of credits. Huh. Concourse looks fine. They've only got 2 left to throw at me. I sense I'm wrong. Oh, I'm not! Okay. High likelihood there's an anomaly in this hallway. You are completely normal. The 2 vents are normal. The 3 doors look normal. Well, at least if there's 3 of them. You look alright. Concourse. I don't see anything wrong with the ceiling. Nope. 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 There's something wrong in this hallway. Statistically speaking, there's something wrong in this hallway. I have fucked up. Alright, there is nothing wrong with that hallway. You alright? You're alright. You look normal. You look normal. Doors look normal. I was wrong! I was wrong! What was I wrong about? What am I wrong about? What is different in this hallway? Motherfucker. Oh my god. The one time I don't look at the concourse. Well, now I know. I'll be seeing that one again real soon. Oh, you know what? I might be seeing it again right now. Yep. Yep. Saw it again immediately. Alright, there is only 1 anomaly left. Okay. This is, Huh. Oh, and there it is, ladies and gentlemen. That is the black ooze coming from the vent. Alrighty. Residents of Underground Passage. Find all anomalies. That's a trophy I just got. Alright, well, this has been fun. It certainly wasn't quite as exciting as the 10 Bells, since that's more of an overt horror game, whereas this is kind of a mixture of horror and anomaly seeking. But it was a good game. I liked it.